ResearchPoint is a contract research organization, and we assist the biotech, medical device, and pharmaceutical companies in getting their products approved and into the marketplace.
The key point of information technology with us is to be able to get information to the clients very rapidly. Everybody wants access to their clinical data as soon as feasible.
To do a phase 1 study takes 35 pages of data that we compile on each patient. So there's hundreds of data elements that have to be entered into a database that's later used to analyze and interpret and file with the FDA.
Today, the information exists mostly in a combination of spreadsheets and miscellaneous databases that aren't all tied together. So we can still come to the same information, it just takes a lot more effort. I think what we're looking for as we move ahead with more automated tools is the ability to really conduct analysis and make decisions faster and know that we're making the right decisions.
Project accounting can be very challenging sometimes. You really have to keep on top of everything. You have to make sure that your employees know every single penny has to be accounted for. Your accounting system has to be able to take that in and apply it to every job. And then hopefully you can look across things, which is one of the reasons we went to SAP.
Every year we'll have a need for an expanded database. I think currently we have close to 70,000 training records. So it's a lot of work. SAP will be able to help with mining that data and making it accessible to our customers and to our internal customers as well.
I did not know SAP had software as a service. I thought SAP was going to be much like Oracle, and then they came in and talked to me, and it was great because it's got all the functionality of a much more expensive software without all the cost. And the implementation cost for this product was less than a quarter of what it would have been for Oracle.
We have the fundamentals of a highly robust system, and we're doing it as a small business when we probably couldn't have done that 5 years ago.
SAP Business by Design is really going to help us for our remote employees. They can access by design anywhere as long as they have internet access, and then send those expense reports in and get them processed that much faster. Our customers are going to benefit in the more detailed invoicing. In faster invoices, we should be able to get things to them much quicker than we can now, just because all the information is going to be in one place.
We'll have much better metrics at our fingertips. And for us, this industry can be very challenging in that there's a lot of key industry metrics that are pretty unique to our industry. And you combine that with the financial performance that we need to track for our studies, so we know where should we target our energy, where can we be more effective in the next proposal.
The functionality is phenomenal, and it really is as good as any big cost product. Before SAP Business by Design, we had one IT employee. After SAP Business by Design, we have one IT employee.
What SAP brings to the table for us at this stage of our growth, both domestically and globally, is information in real time. Without a good IT system, the entire organization's at risk. Being a smaller company in an arena with much larger companies, you need to be able to be responsive, you need to be able to reach out globally to make sure you can compete and be considered on an equal level as the much larger organizations.